You guys, I just found the most perfect spring summer shoes. You're gonna love them. They are from Cosy Island, and of course I have a discount code for you. You wanna stick around till the end. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about heels. Heels that are both elegant and very comfortable. Sounds impossible, right? Well, meet Cosy Island. They have sent me two gorgeous pairs of heels and a bag, and I can't wait to show you everything. Let's go. So, Cosy Island is actually a global footwear brand that focuses on comfort without compromise. Honestly, this speaks to my soul. I love heels, I always did, but let's be real, sometimes they hurt way too much to wear them. And here is a cool part about Cosy Island. They uses recycled materials, and actually on their website you can read a lot about the sustainability process, how they design shoes to be comfortable and what is their environmental agenda. And it's so cool to see a brand that actually cares about environment, sustainability, and is actually making fashion out of recycled materials like bottles and plastic bags. So I'm all here for it. But okay, let's open the first pair. I love how they package everything so well. You also have a thank you card, and they also tell you about their product. Look at these. When I saw them on the website, my heart just stopped. These are so beautiful. So I went for this whitish, creamish, beige mousse, and I just love how they package everything so well. You have a bag for every shoe, so it arrives in a perfect condition. They're just so adorable. You know, I love the pointy toe, so they have just the perfect pointy toe. I love these little details with these bows. The heel is not too high and it's very stable, but my favorite part is the insole. They're actually quite soft. There is cushion, so they provide a support for your foot, which makes them so comfortable. And also their outside material, this knitted material, is really soft and pleasant. This is just your perfect spring summer shoe, and you can style them in so many different ways. Off the top of my head, I would just go super simple and style them with a nice blue wide leg jean and just like a white tank top. What can be easy, and these gonna do all the talking, and they're gonna make your outfit looking so chic and so elegant. Love them. For the second pair, I went really different. So let's talk about the timeless elegance. And I think this pair of shoes, everyone needs this in your wardrobe wherever the season is. Oh, they also got me their insoles, which is so nice, so you can make it even more comfortable. Love that. We have this really timeless, elegant shoe. Let me just take this all out. Just look at this. This is the most classic, elegant and just timeless shoe. This one has a bit higher heel than the previous one, and it's still really stable because of its shape and design. And I love that little detail, this little Cosy Island emblem here. The best part about these shoes is the inside. You have an arch support. They are so soft inside, so I'm sure you can spend the whole day running around in them. These would be perfect for an office. If you have to wear a heel in the office, you can easily use them for everyday looks and running errands, as well as you can go for the date nights or any evening occasion. So beautiful. I love the pointy toe situation, obviously, and I just love that they're so simple, but they're gonna be extremely useful in your wardrobe. Okay, and then I actually went for an accessory. I went for a bag, mostly because I was really curious to see how you can do sustainable recycled bag, how this material will look and feel like, and here she is. Here we go. Let me take this off. I really love how everything is packaged well. Everything has a dedicated bag to store. This is so useful. Let's take this off. here we go. And I love that you have this adjustable strap, so wherever your height, or you can adjust how you like your tote bag to be. I saw this beautiful color, kind of dark grayish, but I actually really like the texture, and look, it kind of glows and shines, which is so unique. I think, I guess this is because of this material. And then also you actually have an inside bag, so you can keep all your valuables inside it, which is very useful. I just thought that such a tote bag would be so useful for your everyday life. Throw on bag, throw on everything bag, so you can take your laptop, gym wear, I know, your snacks with you, and just go run errands. And equally, I think this is gonna be so nice for the travels when you need to pack lots of things with you. But the color is actually not too dark, so actually for spring that would be very useful as well. It's just gonna go with so many different stuff. So yeah, I just thought that would be very useful to have. Okay, so what do you think? Which of these pieces you like the most? Is it the mules? I know it's the mules. And let me know who else is this heels obsessed, because I would like to see how many of crazy people like I am is there. So leave me a comment below. And of course, if you wanna grab your own Cozy Island pieces, don't forget to check the links in the description box. And I have a 10% discount code for you, so you can use this code on the screen to get 10% off on your order. All the links are in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And if you're looking for more ways on how to update your spring wardrobe, then I recommend you to check my latest video with a huge spring haul I recently did, and I'm sure you're gonna find nice ideas for this spring. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and see you in my next fashion videos. Bye!